are actually adding a mold called Penicillium roqueforti as a powder that we add to the cheese during the making process. This mold will grow inside the cheese thanks to a salty and aerated environment, and it will grow these nice blue veins that are special to me. It's due to a whole lot of microorganisms that are here during the fermentation process. Bacteria, molds, yeast that will eat the cheese and release these molecules that smell pretty strong. If you're a pro, you have one knife per type of cheese. After that, the only rule is for everyone to have the same piece, meaning the same amount of the rind and the body of the cheese for everyone to be happy.